Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on a laptop. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just go ahead and double check if my WhatsApp needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Alright? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my WhatsApp. In order to actually activate WhatsApp on my on my laptop, I need to activate it from my phone. So the way to do that, by clicking the settings gear at the below right corner, and from here you're gonna be able to see linked devices. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click link device. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just confirm by your facial recognition, and then click OK, and then just go ahead right here to your laptop. And as you can see, now the laptop is reading the logging information. Right now, I'm gonna just move on to my laptop to show you how to use WhatsApp on my phone, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Now, as you can see, after we opened up our WhatsApp on our laptop, and as you can see, you will see the interface of the of the app on my or of the website of my WhatsApp. And basically you're gonna be able to see all of your chats, all of your unread chats, and all of your groups, basically, right? And you can search for groups or search for person or chat on your WhatsApp right here, or you can just go into lots of example this chat right here, basically. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to use it similarly to your phone. You can send a message, you can just add a camera, like add a photo or a video from your camera, or even a document or a poll if you wanted to. And if you want to add a new sticker, you can always do that. If you want to add emoji, you can always do that as well. If you want to add or include a GIF with your text message, you can be able to do that. And sticker as well, you're gonna be able to see the save sticker on your iPhone will be appearing right there. And if you want to record a microphone, or you record an audio message, you can do that on your laptop. So basically it's similar to your WhatsApp on your phone. If you want to click the three dots right here, you can clear the chats, close the chats, or whatever, or add it to the disappearing messages, which is available on your phone as well. And you're gonna be able right here to see communities, and you're gonna be able to see the status, which is the stories that's been shared on my WhatsApp from my contacts. And you're gonna be able right here to see the channels on my phone, and you're gonna be able to see the archive messages or the start messages right here, right, the one that I saved. So basically it's like sending all of your information from your iPhone to your WhatsApp on your website. And basically you're gonna be able right here to see the settings. You're gonna be able to change your name, or edit your name, or whatever it might be. And basically you're gonna be able to see the notification, keyboard shortcuts, and log out. And speaking of the settings, it's actually pretty limited. It's not like as the phone. Basically you can, on your phone, you're gonna be able to see a lot of stuff, like how to link a device, a broadcast list, and all that. And you can control the notification, unlike the WhatsApp website, basically. And you're gonna be able right here to see the blocked contacts on your phone and app lock right here. And basically you can add another layer to your to your WhatsApp website or phone, for that matter. So basically that's it. And if you want to click on your profile to change the profile picture, name, or the description or bio, you can do that on your PC as well. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.